Hi, welcome to the mill. So for Christmas we got a handy log cutter with electric chainsaw, and I'll demonstrate how it works. Put the log in the bracket. There is a pole that sets the correct length for the fireplace. Hold it firmly with one hand and as easy as that. One important thing is to keep the chain sharp. I'm just going to unplug the chainsaw. And I found that the battery powered Dremel with the chainsaw grinding wheel works really well. Very easy to use. There's an angle that you have to set. So the angle goes parallel to the chainsaw bar. Two or three strokes, obviously all this side, turn it around, use the other angle and do the other side, and it works really well.